In West Bengal, the flood situation has deteriorated following continuous rainfall since Friday night and heavy discharge of water from reservoirs. Fresh areas have been inundated at Birbhum, Bardwan, Murshidabad, Nadia, Hooghly, Howrah, North and South 24 Parganas districts. Breaches of river embankments were also reported from various places. 40 people have been killed in rain-related incidents. More than 7 lakh people have been affected so far. Marooned people have taken shelter at various relief camps. In Kolkata, vast areas have been waterlogged due to incessant rainfall. Train services have been affected due to inundation of railway tracks. Many long-distance trains were either cancelled or diverted. Metro rail services were also hit. The state government has announced compensation of 4 lakh rupees each to the families of the victims. Several ministers have been sent to the affected districts to supervise relief and rescue operations.
ভাড়া নিয়ে